Friends, here we are talking about working with multiple open-weight LLMs using Ollama. See, firstly, why use multiple LLMs? Because different LLMs are designed for different use cases. That means no single LLM is the best for every application. And AI applications can switch between models based on their requirements. Now currently we are working with open-weight LLMs using Ollama. So you can explore all the supported open-weight LLMs from the official Ollama model library. That is this one. We already gone through this. Anyway, let me go to it once again. See here we have different models. Let me give you a simple diagram just to understand at basic level. Suppose for general purpose AI applications like chatbots, question and answers, content generation, these are the best LLM models. And for coding, these are the best LLM models. Reasoning, this one, like this. So be clear, based on our requirement, we have to choose LLM model. But how to evaluate and select an LLM? See, for time being, just I am giving one step, but actually we have different steps. The main step is use the same prompt with different LLMs and verify your response. So simply, instead of prompt, let me say a request. Use different LLMs and pass same your request and verify the response. Which LLM is giving best response, best result, best answer? Choose that. That's it. And here you have to remember one more point, that is, based on the selected model, we need to verify our system, hardware, resources. Suppose if we go with model size, selected model size, let's say between 1 billion to 3 billions, then recommended RAM size is 8 GB. So as of now, we don't know about what is a model size, but just to understand at basic level, see, this model size or parameters tells us the size of an LLM. Larger model size or parameters usually provide better capabilities but require more RAM, storage and compute resources. So that means if model size increases, then that provides best capabilities. But when you increase model size, the selected LLM model, if you select the LLM model which is having more model size, then based on that you have to choose RAM size also. So that's why in our previous video for production deployment, right, we have shown that RAM size from 64 to 128 GB. But it is even best if you take more than 128 GB. Now suppose if you want to install multiple LLMs on your host, yes, you can install, but keep in mind that based on the LLM model size, we should have system, hardware, resources. So suppose if you want to install any required model, then we have to use Ollama pull then model name. Be clear, we are using here Ollama because we selected our runtime as Ollama. And here there is one more point, that is, suppose if you simply run, let's say Ollama pull Llama 3.2, it always installs Llama 3.2 latest version. Let me show you that. See, suppose if I go with Gemma 3, if I copy like this and if I install, it will install the latest version. So if you want to see more details, actually you have to click on that model. Now see, below we have models. See, Gemma 3 or Gemma 3 latest always installs latest one. Now here this latest one nothing but Gemma 3 4 billion. Now instead of that, if you want to go with the lower size, suppose I can take, let's say, Gemma 3 1 billion. Now let me copy this and go to my command line. As of now, I have Llama 3.2 latest. Now Ollama pull Gemma 3 1 billion model. So it takes time based on your internet speed. You have to wait for that. So now just verify Ollama list. See, we have 2 LLM models with our Ollama. That's it. So based on your requirement, you can install any Open-Weight LLM on your Ollama. And suppose if you want to uninstall or remove an LLM from your Ollama, then simply run Ollama remove that required LLM name. That's it. Okay, thank you.